Hi viewers, today I'm going to show you how to make realistic parallax animations through After Effects without any plugin or third-party add-on. First of all, you need to select an image to be animated in parallax animation, after which you need to separate the objects in that image. Remember, objects you crop from that image will be incomplete for whole canvas, so you need to fill remaining screen with Content-Aware tool in Photoshop or new AI generative tool so that empty spaces won't be visible in whole animation. After separating the layers and naming them, you need to import them in After Effects Composition. Make sure to check on Retain Layer Sizes in Composition during the import. After importing them, make the layers 3D and add camera to be animated. Place the layers according to the image, like sky in the back and mountains before that, and then the surface you want to fly camera around. Now place the keyframes on position and point of interest of the camera, and then move the timeline and place keyframes where you want to animate the camera. Also, you can increase aperture size and focal distance to have a blur effect on the layers, which I forgot in this method. Scale the size of the layers and also position them as you like in that animation to fill the gaps. Here is how final animation will look like. Thanks for watching, and also like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.